Welcome back to this week's video. It's me, Team Berlin. Today I'm going to be doing a reaction video. I found this video on the internet that I would really like to share with you guys in Berlin, and it's hilarious.
Was ist mit Ihnen?
Very common in Berlin. You don't know how common this is in Berlin, just to see random birds just flying around in the underground station, and then very often you'll have the Fahrschein people coming on. It's hilarious. He's probably got no one else to serve right now.
Guten Tag. Einmal Fahrschein bitte. Keine. Was ist mit Ihnen? Guten Tag. Einmal Fahrschein bitte. Keine. Was ist mit Ihnen?
I love it. So it's very common to go see in an U-Bahn or S-Bahn like birds just flying around in the stations. It's very common because it's warmer in there for birds. So it's not uncommon when they just hop on by accident. I've actually personally seen many birds flying around inside, and one was especially weird because someone actually had to grab it with their coat and go take it outside because it was pure freaking out, it was pure flying around, and landed very close to my feet, which was terrifying. I thought that was just terrifying. So yeah, it's hilarious, and you will see lots of Fahrscheine people. So don't forget to always have a ticket with you in the machines. You can just go buy one. It's better than having a 60-euro fine. Goodbye, birdies. Have a nice flight. And let me know what you will think of this video in the comments down below. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, and also like.